Hey guys, Dr. Christy Ennis. Welcome to Follow Me Friday, where motion is lotion. Today for our biceps, triceps, and shoulders. And for this video, you will need a band and a set of weights. We're going to start with our band, going right around the wrist, elbows in at your side. Gently squeeze those shoulder blades back, and you're going to pull those forearms out. Don't let those arms come away, no chicken wings. We're working the shoulder rotators here. We're gonna do 10. There's 4, 5. If you're just starting out, try to go through one set of all of these exercises. If you are feeling really good, you can go ahead and go through a second time. We're gonna do one more. That's 10. Good. Okay, I'm gonna face this way. You're gonna bring that arm out. I'm gonna straighten out the opposite one. This is just to get a little bit more resistance. And you're gonna pull straight back to get the back of that shoulder. So here's 2. Again, we're gonna do 10. Always listen to your body. If 10 feels like it is too much, it is okay not to do 10. Stop when you feel like you're losing your form or it feels like it's getting sore or really tired. Should be a little tired by the time you're done though. We have 3 more on this side and then switching. 1, 2, and 3. Also know that you can do these sitting down if you need to, if that's more comfortable for you. So same idea, I'm just going to show you where the opposite arm is this time. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 1 more is 10. Excellent. Put the band down. I'm going to grab my weights. Start with those weights directly in front of your body, and then you're going to go at about a 30-degree angle. It's okay if you don't know exactly what 30 is. Make sure it's not all the way at 45, right? Come forward a little bit. Again, squeeze into those shoulder blades, and you're going to raise just until shoulder height, okay? We're getting the front of those shoulders a little bit. This is more of how we really want the shoulder to move. This angle helps to prevent a lot of things banging into each other. There's 4, 5, 6, 7, 3 more, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, we're going to go into a little bit what we call a partial deadlift position. So I'm going to push my hips back. My back is still flat. Arms are going to start again kind of down by your side. Go all the way out to the side this time and then come back a little bit. I'm going to face this way. From here again, squeeze those shoulder blades together. Thumbs are up and you're coming again out to the side. So I am not directly out to the side. This is a lateral raise to work the sides of those shoulders. But again, being in this position with that angle a little bit avoids those things banging into each other in the shoulder causing a problem. So there's 4, 5, I'll show you this way too, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, moving on to those biceps, starting with your basic bicep curl. Straighten those arms out all the way, and then we're lifting about halfway up. Key thing with this one is that you let those arms straighten down all the way. That's where you get the most bang for your buck in this exercise. Muscles working the hardest. There's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3 more to go, 8, keep those wrists straight too. That's another one I see a lot of. 9, and 10. Okay, going into triceps. So again, in that little bent over position, I'm going to bring my elbows back as my starting position. Upper arm stays right where it is, and then we're extending that lower arm. Again, try not to flick the wrist, right? We don't want to work those wrists too much here. That's 3. 4, don't let the whole arm swing either. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We have 1 more exercise to go. All right, we're gonna go into what's called a hammer curl. So palms are facing one another. You're gonna come up, and then we're gonna add a little punch and a punch. So we're adding multiple muscles here to end with. So just up to that middle, add that punch across. There's 2. Remember too, if doing this with weights or a band is too much to start, totally okay to just do it with just those arms, no resistance. Whew, that's 5. 6. 7, 3 more to go. Last one. Nice. Give yourselves a pat on the back.